Upset na yung mommy guys kasi naglilimlim na siya eh. She had laid eggs already and preparing to hatch the chicks maybe in the next 2 weeks. And this rooster is still having, moments with her. Oh, bakit nagalit yung isang manok? Hindi naman siya inaaway eh. Laka, naway niya ba? Hindi naman siya kasali.
Kasi ang lawa. Ito naman kaya niyang bulihin yun.
So yun, kaya niyang bulihin yung?
Lahat na yan.
Really? Territorial. So it rained last night, pero marami na akong kinuhang tubig. From here, oh. Look how clean the water is. Tchadan! Anyway, I'll bring you somewhere else. Mabilis ang pagpaparami ng manok. Yun lang, kung may kalaban kang bayawak and snakes, it does make a difference. But anyway, this one, my husband already took 2. Sabi ko, 3, 6, 9, 10. Parang ang dami niya masyado. Kunan ko kaya ng isa, but then it has been limlim. We'll try it. Pakialamanan talaga. Supposed to be a good chicken, but we decided to remove 1. It's too much. 10 is enough. Actually, it's 9. Hopefully, it will all be hatched. This one has 3, 6, 7, 8. And as a mother myself, I remember when my children or my baby will cry, there's a certain cry that you can determine what is the need. In this case, the mom has a different sound. I noticed that she made a sound when she found food. So there you go. Oh my goodness, ang init pa rin. Kanina pa umalis ang mama. Init pa rin. Embryonic stage na ito guys. Embryonic stage. Because it has been hatched for maybe 5 days. It's okay. No. We're not getting more than that. Tingnan natin kung anong result niyan. May pula na talaga yan. How is it?
Nadudurog lang.
Oh, nadudurog na because it's starting to, paano na yan? Blastosis. I'm forgetting all those terms right now. So, ready to be eaten. I'll let you know what happened to the rest of the egg in the next 2 weeks. Ito, saan kaya yung pangingitlog nito? Nito pa oh, ng tagak. Number 1 na matapang ito. Itong chicken na ito. Ang dami nating matututunan sa mga manok na ito. Oh, marunong na mga baby kaagad oh. Oh, even though you fed them with real food, they still go out. That's what you call survival of the fittest. Mag-survive talaga sila pag fit sila. Wow, the dawning of the day, morning break. It rained last night. Tuyo na ito nung kailan eh. Puno na naman ang tubig oh. Sana hindi ko nakita ang pag-glide. Nature works in harmony. Wow. However, in every situation, there's always isolation. One person wants to be alone or an animal. So in that case, look at that. She's alone. In this note, I will say goodbye to everyone. Have a pleasant day. Enjoy the peacefulness of your life. Take your time to renew, and if you have opportunity, do that in nature. Be at peace with God and with yourself. Goodbye for now. God bless everybody.